Hey guys, Rick Sonance here, back in our video. So in this video we're gonna make a bass house track with a new bass house pack in the starter finish series. So in this first part we're making a breakdown, second part we're making a drop, and the third part we're making a build up. So we're gonna be building the track completely from scratch, so let's dive into it. So I have no clue yet what we're gonna be making, but let's start off with the vocals. So let's head over to Splice. I think we're gonna go for like a trappy kind of vocal, like some geo stuff. So let's search for the vocal by sounds, genres, then go for trap, because we want a really aggressive hip hop vocal. So sorted by vocals, male, and phrases. So let's see what kind of vocals we can check out.
Sipping on my lean and I'm with my fucking team. Sipping on my lean and I'm with my fucking team. Hey.
This one could be perfectly for the pre-drop, so let's download it.
I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah.
That's so.
All of the niggas, they trash, forget them.
Let's go for this one.
What?
Download it. So now let's head over to FL. We're gonna start with a new project. So let's set the BPM to 126, I think. Open up the Splice folder. Drag in those vocals. So let's fit them to the tempo. They're at 120. Sounding like this.
I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah.
So let's add some effects to it.
All of the niggas, they trash, forget them. What?
Just some forward pitching, reverb, and delay, I think.
Yeah. I'm running the race.
So let's go for a little other boy.
I'm faster than them. Yeah.
Drag down the format.
All of the niggas, they trash, forget them.
Yeah, it makes it a little bit darker. Distort it a little bit.
Faster than them. Yeah. All of the niggas, they trash, forget them. I'm running
EQ it.
race and I'm faster than them. Yeah.
Just dip the lows.
All of the niggas, they trash, forget them.
And cut it a real lows.
I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah. All of the niggas, they
Just,
trash,
I guess,
forget
that's some reverb and delay.
Yeah. All of the niggas, they trash, forget them. But I'm running the race and I'm faster than them.
Just like this. Some quarter delay ping pong.
What? I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah.
Reverb is a little bit too much for now, so drag it down.
What? I'm running the race and I'm
So that's for the vocal, just lower down the dBs a little bit. Makes it easier when mixing the tracks. So now we're gonna add a bass sound to it. So add a new serum. And choose a sound from the new bass house packs. So if you think it sounds dope and want to check it out, check the description. So I think we're gonna go for a reese sound to start off with. This one. So it's in D sharp. So let's start off at a D then.
I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah. All of the niggas, they trash, forget them.
Let's make a little chord progression.
I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah. All of the niggas, they trash, forget them.
And the slope's a little bit too low, so let's put it up an octave.
I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah. All of the niggas, they trash, forget them. What?
So let's make an 8-bar loop. Let's leave some room for the intro. So now we need to add some more ambience loops, so because this one's already quite G-house-ish. We're gonna search for those typical hip-hop loops. So I got a sample pack opens up right here. So let's go for well, exactly a loop like this. So let's fit it to the tempo. It's 140 BPM. And it's in F minor, so that means we need to pitch it down 2 tones. Just like this. Let's see how it sounds with a reese. Yeah, that could work. So together it sounds like this. Maybe we can even add those high vocals at the end of the bar. So let's check how that sounds. Yeah, that's dope. Although I think we're gonna mix them as ad-libs, so let's push them to the sides. I really love to use that plugin wider. Right now it sounds like this. And pushing it to the sides will make it sound like this. It's actually a free plugin, so I really advise you to check it out. Then route to the same channel as the lead vocal. Just a little bit less volume. So now I think we only need to add one more melodic element to the breakdown, and that's the vocal ambience, a vocal chop-ish kind of sound. So for the vocal ambience, we're gonna use some splice samples as well. Like splice is filled up with those vocal chops, so just for the sake of the length of the tutorial, I'm gonna go for the sample. Like this one. That's exactly what we're looking for, so let's drag it in. So then we're gonna fit it to the tempo at 116. And pitched in key, it's at C sharp, so we need to pitch it up to tones. Then just mix it in. So lower the volume of the reese as well. Or actually we're gonna mix them all in. So the regular volumes, all the channels. First let's mix in the reese. And the folk chops. Yeah, that's dope. So now let's continue with the drums. So we're gonna copy over the section, because we're only gonna edit at the second part of the breakdown. So let's open the bass house pack. Just like the drums. So first let's do the clap. Let's layer those two, sounding like this. Needs a little bit more reverb, so let's bust them and stack the reverb. Just like this. Let's compress them together as well, so just some simple compression. Then some open X. Let's go for this one. Sounding like this. Mixed in as well. Now we're gonna add a close set. So place it right before every first open hit, quantize it. Just I guess. So then I'm gonna add a percussion. So we'll be using this snare drum. Bend it a little bit. Let's see how it sounds when we place it right here. Yeah, that's cool. So let's add a second snare. Just like this. Yeah, that's dope. That could work for sure. Let's just add one more percussion shot. Just here. Or well, maybe here sounds better. I think we're gonna go place here. Yeah, that's dope. So duplicate the drums. Let's make those other sounds as well. Because snare's a little bit too loud, so lower the volume. Then we're gonna create a drum bass. So write them all to one channel. So to speed things up, I have my drum bass saved for house music. So basically it's a saved rack with a soft clipper, some transient processing, some parallel compression, and just some more bump compression just to make the heads bump some more. So with it, then you can just mix the drum bass. Let's put the volume on the vocal a little bit. Yeah, that's dope. So now let's fill the track up some more with some effects. So I have this zip file of a earlier project I made. So let's add those effects. The first one sounds like this. Just lower down the volume. Then some crash effects, cymbals. So let's mix the crash. I have a mixer channel saved for that as well, so I really advise you to save those channels as well, because it really saves a lot of time. Just a simple reverb and a delay. Let's add some more like this reverb clap. Copy of the crash as well. We can either make the breakdown a little bit shorter as well, so drop in the drums here and build it up from the 13 bar. Let's see how that sounds. Yeah, I think that would be... And I think that would make the track a little bit more interesting. Otherwise, it might get boring when it's just the same part repeating. Yeah, let's do that. So let's add some more downlifters, like this one, fit it to the tempo. This one is like obnoxiously loud, so let's lower the volume to really everything sit in the background. Just like this. More downlifters. At a really low volume. Then we're gonna erase her. Fit it to the tempo. And just add it at the end of the breakdown to make a transition more into the build up. Same for the crash and downlifter. So I think we only need to add like one more reverse sound to really make that transition into the build up. So let's search for one. So I found a riser sounding like this. Then let's add a sub drop as well. Just like this. So now we only need to add a vinyl sound, like the one we always use in the videos. This one, and of course the bird sound, because it really fills up the track some more. So just rub it in, and let's listen to the breakdown we just made. I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah. All of the niggas they trash, forget them. But I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah. All of the niggas they trash, forget them. But I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah, dope. I think it's already getting to sound quite cool. So that's it for the breakdown. In the next part, we'll make the drop. The part after that, the build up. And then we're gonna finish it, so stay tuned for that. Besides that, if you like the video, please leave a like, see more on the subscribe button. And I see you all in the next videos.